Tooth Fairy pillow. It's so easy and inexpensive. You will need scissors, fabric, pen, paper, glue, and stuffing. So first I'm gonna create the template for my tooth. You can go ahead and freehand it like I'm doing myself, or you can find a picture online. I'm not an artist, so this took some scribbling and redoing. It looks kind of like a tooth, right? So what I will do is I will cut it and I will trace it on to my white fabric. While I'm prepping all of this, I have my glue gun ready. Remember this is a no sew project. However, you can do it with your sewing machine. Like so. Now we're gonna cut this out. So next we're gonna cut the pillow section. There's really no measurement for this that I have. So I had this 8.5 by 11 sheet extra, like leftover piece. So I'm just gonna fold it in half and try to get a square. But if you'd like to measure, maybe a 6 by 6 or a 5 by 5 inches would work. Okay, so I have my two pieces. Now I have a whole piece, but if you don't have it that way, it's okay. Just make sure your pieces even out. I'm gonna grab my glue gun and start gluing along the edges up until this part. I'm just gonna leave about 2 fingers entry so I can flip it inside out. Once it's all dried up, it's time to flip it inside out. Just put your finger in and start grabbing the farthest corner, just enough to pull it out of the hole, just like a pillow. You take your time and just flip it. With this pen, I'm actually just gonna try to work the corner right there a little bit. So the next step is to glue on the tooth on top. Now you want to leave an opening, so you're only gonna glue from here all the way on the edge to about here, leaving about 3 fingers. After you have glued the top, now it's time to stuff it. So you can get your stuffing from a pillow, a teddy bear, or just buy in bulk on your local fabric store or online, or use cotton balls. You close it is you'll have to kind of pinch the fabric inward, and this is the side wall you will have to like be a little bit more careful. Just tuck it in Make sure it's lined up with the seam as much as you can. Okay. Once you have done that, you will take your glue gun and slowly start gluing inward. Now these markers, I bought them at Rite Aid, but that's how I wrote the name of my daughter in the other one. So it makes a nice little gift for the young ones who are losing their teeth. This is how you would put it in after grabbing the tooth. There you have it. That was really easy to make. Now you can always decorate it. You can add ribbon, you can add rhinestones, make it fun for your little one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.